it's me. My name is T-Rex. Hello, boys and girls. It's me, T-Rex teacher.
Who are you? T-Rex. T-Rex teacher? It's my time. It's Yuri teacher time, not you. Anyways, guys, hello everyone. It's me, Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher time. Hello, boys and girls. Yuri teacher is back with the letter X. And what just happened? Who was that? T-Rex. Okay, anyways, this is the big X and then the little X. And everybody, let's focus. Focus, focus, focus. Listen, 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 and repeat, repeat, repeat after your teacher, okay? So everybody, how does X sound like? X, 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 X. X, 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 x. Right? One more time. X, 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 x. Your teacher does have mic today, so you guys have to focus a little bit more to hear me better. Kiss, 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 kiss. X, 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 X. Kiss, 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 kiss. Alright, so everybody, let's go over all the X words. Alright, so everybody, what is this, guys? This is 6. 6. 6. 6. 6. And what about this one? Can you see this one? It's a yellow box. This is box. Box. Box, box. And this is fix. Fix, fix, fix. And this is fox. Fox, fox. Oh. Right. Fox, fox, fox. Not oof. Fox. And this is ox. Ox, ox. Got it? And we have the word, if X goes in the front, this is X-ray. No, this is X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. This is Xmas. If the X comes to the front from the words, this is, you just call the X, okay? Not X, Xmas. And this is X-ray. Xmas, X-ray. Xmas, X-ray. So everybody, you have to remember, if the X comes to the front of the words, you have to just pronounce the XX, okay? Xmas, X-ray. So let me see. Let's go over all the X words one more time together, guys. Focus. Kai, focus, focus, focus. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. This is 6. 6. Jennifer. 6. Box. Fix. Fox. Ox. Xmas. X-ray. Got it? And guys, T-Rex. T-Rex. Hello, T-Rex. It's my turn. So, his name is T-Rex, right? Alright, so anyways, guys, you guys should remember all the big X and then the little X. You should write all the big X and the little X on your homework paper. And guys, your teacher will be right back with the big magic box. Six. Let's go over all the words one more time with me, guys. 6, 6, 6. Box, 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 box. Fix, 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 fix. And box, box, box. Xmas, Xmas, X-ray, X-ray, ox, ox, ox. Got it? Yes. Okay, X, X, X. Oh. Every week, I have to hold this big old magic box over here. Yes? So let's see if let's see who's gonna come out for the first. Let's see. We're just gonna mix all the cards with my oil powder, magic powder right here. Let's see who's gonna come out. Where are you hiding? In the matchbox. My matchbox. Everybody, what is his name? His name is T-Rex. Rex. Hello, Rex. T-Rex. Please go home. Go home, T-Rex. Okay, again. Let's see. Jenny, hello, beautiful Jenny. All right, so Jenny, how does X sound like? X, 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 right? Let's see if Jenny can remember this word. What is this, Jenny? This is ox, ox, ox. X sounds like x, 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 x. This is ox, ox, ox. Got it, Jenny? Yes or no? And thank you for coming out, Jenny. Let's see if your teacher can put all my powder, magic powder from my body and put it right here in the magic box. Jenny, I think I have to take your picture again. Did your baby look more beautiful than the picture, right? Look at your cutie face. So, Zoe, how does X sound like? X, 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 right? Let's see if you remember this X word. What is this? This is X, X-ray, right? This is X-ray. X-ray? No, X-ray, right? X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. All right. All right, so let's just pick just one more. David, very cute with your cutie smile. All right, so David, are you ready? Yes. All right, so David, how does X sound like? X, 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 right? Let's see if David remembers this one. This is fox, 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 like this. Oh, ooh, again. Oh, ooh. I'll stop. Okay, David, thank you. All right, so thank you for coming out, David. You should know the X sounds. X, you know all the X words, right? Yes? You should remember. Or if you don't remember, watch this video clip and then review with your mommy and daddy, okay? David. All right, so let's just pick one more. Yes, just last one. Let's see who's gonna come. Leo always speaks English in your teacher's classroom, and then he's just mumbling and it's like, oh, you're a teacher, the chair. And then he's just like, oh, you're a teacher, go to the bathroom. It's like, what are you saying, Leo? Just trying to speak English, but I don't know what to do. I don't really understand, but very cute. All right, so Leo, how does X sound like? X, 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 right? So let me see if Leo can remember this. What is this? Fix, right? Fix, fix, fix. I think Leo can fix everything. You know, you love to play with the Lego, right? I think you're gonna be some kind of mechanic later on, right? So this is fix, fix, fix. Got it, Leo? Yes? All right, so thank you for coming out, Leo. Love your smile. All right, so everybody, we went over all the X words and X, we only have 2 letters left. Can you guys believe it? Next week, we're gonna learn the letter Y And then the following next week is gonna be letter Z. And we're done with the letter sense. So guys, you guys have to take your Who Let the Letters Out video clip at home and send it to your teacher. Stella already sent me, and who else did? So guys, over this weekend, your teacher will give you like, a whole month on October, but you can take your time, but try to take it at home with your mommy and daddy, okay? As soon as possible. So have a great safe weekend, and I'll see you guys next week with your homework, guys. Alright? Bye-bye. See you next week, next Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye guys, don't forget me. My name is T-Rex. T-Rex teacher, okay? I'm gonna ask you one more time next week.